Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo fired back at celebrities Agot, Isidro, and Enchong for criticizing President Rodrigo Duterte's decision on the ABS-CBN franchise issue.
Kaya kayong dalawa, Agot, Isidro, o tsaka ito namang batang-batang kababayan natin si Enchong na nagbigay na naman ng kanilang mga pahayag. Dismayado raw sila. Bakit naman daw itong si Presidente sasabihin na hindi niya papayagan na mag-operate kahit na may prangkisa?
Duterte said he will not allow the Kapamilya Network to have its franchise. Isidro slammed the president's statement on Twitter. The actor did the same on Twitter. Panelo fired back at Isidro and D, asking if they have plans to become politicos.
Mahilig din itong dalawang itong pumasok na. Ano ba kayo? Tatakbo ba kayo ano? Takbo ba kayo ng congressman? Takbo ba kayo ng konsyal o barangay kapitan?
He also told them to know the facts first.
Hindi niyo pa nga alam kung anong punot dulo basta kayo pumapasok. Papakinggan niyo muna. Know your facts. Research. Bago kayo magsalita.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.